Hey there, parents! Welcome to an exciting journey that you and your child are about to embark on. Today, I'm going to share some tips on one of the most thrilling milestones for your child. Learning to ride a bike without training wheels. This is a moment filled with joy, a bit of nervousness, and a whole lot of pride. Ready? Let's dive in and make this experience as smooth and enjoyable as possible. First things first, safety is paramount. Ensuring your child is safe will give both of you peace of mind. Make sure your child is wearing a properly fitted helmet, and consider knee and elbow pads to avoid scrapes. These small precautions can make a big difference. Check that the bike is the right size. Your child should be able to touch the ground with their feet while sitting on the seat. This will help them feel more secure and in control. Alright, now that we've got safety covered, we need to find the perfect spot. The right environment can make learning much easier. Look for a flat, open area with smooth pavement. This will provide a stable surface for your child to practice on. An empty parking lot or a quiet street can work great. These areas are usually free from traffic and provide ample space. The fewer obstacles, the better. This will help your child focus on balancing and pedaling without worrying about dodging objects. Next up, we're going to work on balance. This is the foundation of riding a bike. Remove the training wheels and lower the seat so your child can place both feet flat on the ground. This will help them feel more stable and less likely to tip over. Start by having them walk the bike around using their feet to push off and glide. This helps them get a feel for balancing without the fear of falling. Encourage them to lift their feet off the ground for short periods to practice balancing. Once they're comfortable gliding, it's time to introduce pedaling. This is where the real fun begins. Have them start by pushing off with their feet and then lift their feet to the pedals. This transition can be tricky, so be patient and offer lots of encouragement. Encourage them to keep their eyes forward and not look down at their feet. Looking ahead helps with balance and steering. It's all about finding that sweet spot where they can balance and pedal at the same time. This might take a few tries, but they'll get there. Now let's talk about steering and stopping. These are crucial skills for safe riding. Teach your child to keep their hands on the handlebars and gently steer. Steering should be smooth and controlled. Practice turning in both directions and remind them to look where they want to go. This helps them navigate and avoid obstacles. For stopping, explain how to use the brakes gently. Sudden stops can be jarring, so practice smooth braking. Do a few practice runs to get the hang of stopping smoothly. Patience is key, folks. Each child will learn at their own pace. Every child learns at their own pace, so celebrate the small victories along the way. Each step forward is a big achievement. If they get frustrated, take a break and try again later. Sometimes a little rest can make a big difference. Keep the experience fun and positive. The goal is to make learning to ride a bike a joyful memory. And there you have it. With a bit of practice, your child will be riding their bike without training wheels in no time. It's an unforgettable moment, watching them pedal away with a big smile on their face. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Hints to Help tips. Happy riding!